Then we're just going to exfoliate the neck. Circular motion all the way up on the neck. Just exfoliate. I'm going to be using some oatmeal, and oatmeal is great for exfoliating the skin. Not only will it exfoliate the skin, but it will help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It is great for tightening and firming sagging neckline and jawline while getting rid of the dead skin cells. Oatmeal is amazing to mix with other ingredients to use not only on your neck but also on your face and your décolleté. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be blending the oatmeal to a powder. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the oatmeal. I'm going to place this in a blender, and next I'm going to reach for my second ingredient, which is some orange peel. Here I have dried orange peel. This we're also going to blend to a powder. We're using the orange peel because it's rich properties of vitamin C. Vitamin C help to boost collagen and also help to clear the skin of pigmentation. So go ahead and take about 1 ounce of the dry orange peel, add this to the blender along with the oatmeal, and now we are gonna blend to a powder. Do not add any liquid, any form of a water to this, just blend dry as is. So this is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to blend to a powder depending on the power of your blender. Once this is done, you can choose to pour this in a small jar, bottle, or even a Ziploc or bag, and you can keep that in your refrigerator for up to 6 months. Just make sure it is tightly closed. Now let's reach for a small bowl and take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some baking soda, and baking soda will help to exfoliate and get rid of dead skin cells. The granules are very, very fine, making it ideal for a neck scrub. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. Pour this in. Now, if you do not have baking soda, a good substitute to use for the neck is a bit of a salt. And now we're going to reach back for our orange peel and oatmeal mixture, and I'm going to take 1 tablespoon and we're going to add this to the small bowl along with our baking soda, and we are gonna mix, and we are gonna mix well. While mixing, make sure to get rid of any lumps that might be in the baking soda. So totally dissolve the lumps to make it nice and smooth. Now once this is done, we will need to add some liquid. Now you can choose to add juice or you can choose to add oil. Today I'm going to be using oil. So I'm going to be using some coconut oil, which is basically one of the better oil for your scrub, and I'm using about 2 teaspoons of the coconut oil. Now you can use any oil of choice. You can use olive oil, you can use sweet almond oil, you can use soybean oil, you can even choose to use some vegetable oil in this recipe. And now we are going to mix, and we are mixing to a smooth paste. You do not want this to be too watery, nor do you want it to be too dry. So once this is mixed, what I like to do, I like to set it aside for about an hour or so for it to be infused, and the smell of this is amazing. So after about an hour, you're going to reach back for it, and this is what you're going to use to exfoliate your neck. Exfoliate your neck and your décolleté. This is going to clear dead skin cells, lift, tighten, and firm, and it's also going to give your neck a more youthful appearance. Don't forget to take it down on the décolleté, especially if you have crepey neckline. You want this to look smooth, you want this to look clear, and you want it to look bright. This is good to use 2 to 3 times per week for best result, for the most effective result. No need to store in the refrigerator. Go ahead and store this on your countertop. You can keep it in your bathroom so it is readily at hand.